Weatherman got this one right. Just a mere dusting on grassy surfaces.
About 4 to 5, and it's supposed to keep doing this till 6 o'clock.
Oh no, somebody stole our wheels and tires.
Just the one side though.
So we're getting new tires put on.
This one here has a huge flat spot from about here to here.
Don't know why. Don't look like it'd been drug. Like maybe the tire was bad.
And this back one over here, not the very far inside, but one this away was wore down a lot more than all the others. So getting new tires put on it, probably greased the hubs while we got it off.
Never ending. Well, back on shock racks again. Got to take this pin out. This is the left side one. Build a second hanging rack right through here, offset from these pins. This is the right side. We're going to build offset from these pins down there. Will the trailer project ever get done? We're getting closer. Fabricating.
We ain't done yet. I need a 1/4 inch hole halfway between them to bolt it. Jaws.
Got the shock cabinet done. That should be good. We got to mount the bottle yet. Might go there, waiting on Daryn's approval.
Got the trim piece made for the steps, so that's done.
About the only thing we got left to do on the trailer is put the new transfer switch in,
Figure out a way to pin that against the wall for transport.
and I think that's about it. Then it's on the polishing.
The truck, we're going to start with that. Got to finish the generator, changing the fluids on that. We're waiting to hear back from Buddy.
We're 4 weeks away from the first scheduled race day. We'll see how that goes. See how the weather plays out. It means we got about 4.5 inches of snow yesterday, 26 degrees today. It was 60 on Thursday, gonna be 50 tomorrow and 60 on Monday. Gotta love the St. Louis weather. Well, it's Monday, about 4:30. Current temperature is 55 degrees.
Besides where the sun don't hit in the afternoon here in front of the building, you wouldn't even know that we had a blizzard here on Friday.
Gotta love St. Louis weather. Hoping to get the trailer wrapped up tonight. So I'm going to change the transfer switch. The problem with this one is the shore power side, this one here, it doesn't automatically pull in. You have to push it in to make it make contact because the contactor is bad. The problem is you got to have this cover on there, and with the cover on, either we drill a hole to push it in or we have to take the cover off every time to hook up to shore power. So we got a brand new transfer switch and I'm gonna put it in.
Also picked up our left side tires from Glenn's today. Be knee deep in rubber. Get them on the night and get the other side off.
We are hoping to wrap this trailer up tonight. Doug's got some piddly stuff he wants to do inside. Well, that project is done. Well, I finished that up. Doug put the wheels and tires on this side. Now he's working on taking the tires off this side. Now that we got 110 back to the trailer, we can turn TV on and watch it. Living the good life.
It got a flat spot in it?
Right here. Look, all the hash marks are gone.
You got it? I don't want the phones. Because that thing falls, get out of the way.
There's the big one. That's the one I seen laying under there.
Yeah.
That was the culprit. It's like flat spotted there and then there. It's got a ridge in it.
Yeah. Yeah, I see that.
And then that back tire on that side, this whole rib was wore down about a quarter to a half inch more than what the rest of them were. Yeah.
That don't make sense either.
No. That's why I said, and you see it's chunking there.
Yeah.
That inside one may be from scooting and turning.
Yeah. Yeah. This one.
So you see the insides of that one is wore more than the rest of them are too. You can see how smooth it is, and the hash marks are about gone.
Yeah. This is from scooting.
Yeah.
Yeah, back axle does not have brakes.
We can roll these up here.
That's all the bitch. Look at that. That's that flat spot.
Yeah.
It ain't moving.
Yeah. It'll just sit there. Thought we were going to overflow
I did too, but
the drain pan.
I think we're okay. It's down to almost stopping now.
You want to pour some in to flush the dirty out?
No, it's not that bad. You're gonna be surprised when I pull it out.
Oh, hey, hit the air tour.
Yeah.
Actually,
I just changing the truck oil.
Yeah. It don't look... Well, it wasn't due for 5,864 hours. I mean, it's got another 110 hours left on it.
you know what I say? We know where we're at.
We ain't got to worry about it all year.
Yeah.
No, we're that way.
Yeah.
Whether it needs it or not, we do it, and it's done for the year. Because we don't. The hours isn't that great for us. Not compared to the other one.
Yeah.
Okay. Doesn't it tell us on there? Or is it this one or the other one?
6 quarts with
quarts.
filter.
Hey, Doug, you need a rag?
Yeah, if you got one.
Yeah, I'm not. There we go. Now I'm cooking with Crisco.
That'll work.
Or you gotta be shitting me. Oh. Woo. Thank God that hole is not that big. I just got lucky.
What happened?
These 2 screws were sitting up here and it fell right down in a funnel, but the head wasn't big enough to go through that hole.
Can you? I wonder if you could even get that in. Oh, you mean in the motor? It was still in the motor?
No, they were setting up here and it fell down in that funnel. It was setting in there and the screw wasn't big enough to go through the hole. Yeah, that wouldn't have been fun.
Oh no, it'd have been Magnet City on that.
Oh. Parking lot, turn 3.
That's where it ended up. But the movement from the 6 and the 22, jockeying for position, trying to outduel one.
I was down there whenever Boyer went across the finish line on his top. And Jack Daniels' car.
Yeah.
Going for it. Chastain was holding them up.
9 laps to go. You knew it was coming. Never knew you were a carpet layer.
Yeah, I've laid a little bit of carpet in my
This
day.
gives you a much better view right there. You see the 24 car
Just a tape job,
being
though.
pushed, and sometimes you're not aligned, and you know you're not lifting, and that car gets to moving around, and you hope it works out, and it just didn't work out right here.
Here's a tape.
The same scenario playing out.
Blue tape or anything.
That I don't know.
Really can't pin
We-
more?
Hey.
What?
You need more? No.
Did we want to put a piece behind the ladder while we got it over here? Do we want to put a piece here? I think we got enough.
Let's ride with Alex Bowman.
Yeah, I'm game on anything.
I get down with it. I can definitely get down with the ladder.
I like the idea of carpet tape instead of getting it. Don't you? Or
Yeah, that carpet tape will hold stronger than you think.
He was trying to stay off.
Hey, that was good for Bowman.
we could definitely do
What?
that, Jason. I like that idea.
Oh, you hit the
Keselowski.
you hit the dang channel changer.
Later.
I did.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Here we gotta make sure.
Where that symmetrical here, George?
Do what?
No.
No.
Try it on the top one first.
I don't know. It's not much difference.
Well, we said it several laps ago, right? We both said it.
One's 22 and one's 21 and a
It's
quarter.
a matter of
They're only talking 3/4 of an inch.
Are they the same size shorts?
Supposed to be, yeah. But we got
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Example of just getting shut and getting out of shape, and it's not.
Let's see, it's that right there.
Like 48 and a quarter. $40 3/4.
looks like a wiener.
Right.
Yeah, a little heat, and you can move that one where you want it to. That metal one, you got to take it off and beat it out and hanging body panels, spares.
Watch the energy come. Bitch. Jackson gets out on him. All of a sudden, here comes the energy from
Got her carpeted in there. I'm gonna mount the bottle here shortly.
situation. Daryn sees him coming here. Block right there.
There you go. That's good.
Alright, let's go. Let me go grab some quarter panels before we tighten that back
He
up.
went for it. It's the caution.
Yeah, you're gonna have to pick out a left and a right.
Yeah, I'm short.
Winds up winning the race.
Did you get you some new boots? New boot goofing?
No, these are mine.
Then your Sunday go meeting
These are
boots?
golfing shoes?
These are my golfing boots.
There you
That's
go.
right.
Here he goes for the gap. Shoots it. Closed in.
Damn kids. Is that your water?
Yeah,
Hey, just you wait, Douglas. You're gonna.
we're getting there.
Well,
So I think we are finally about done, ready to start cleaning and polishing. We carpeted this tonight, so it don't look all scratched up. Pit box is gonna go there. Come up with a bracket to hold the TV against the wall for going down the road. Got our nitrogen tank mounted, shelf carpeted. That cabinet is done. Spare body panels are up there, good to go. Mounted the fire extinguisher. Got this fuel jug rack mounted. Load t-shirts and clean her up. I think it's about time to call this project done. We are 4 weeks away from first scheduled race at Highland. Thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying the content. If you are, hit that thumbs up button. Drop this ugly mug a comment if you want. He reads them. Probably not.
what'd I do?
If you're not a subscriber, you can do so by hitting the picture Daryn's race card in the lower right hand corner, and we will catch you all in the next one.
See if Douglas makes
Why
it
don't you
over there.
unplug the cord?
Dumping the oil.
Oh shit, here we go.
All right, you ready? All right, I'm over.
Over.
Douche!
Got it.
It all splashed all over.
It splashed all over you.
Oh, I know I was just gonna say, I'll be fucked. I'll be riding home with Bed in Jeffrey's truck. I'll use my car here.
It's stinky ass oil, that's diesel oil too. That shit you never get off.
Probably within the next couple months, we're gonna go do some shopping at the old Big St. Charles Motorsport.
Oh yeah.
What are you buying?
Motorcycle.
Motorcycle?
You don't need to go to Big St. Charles to get a Burromax.
Shit, I call Blinky, man.
Blinky.
Yeah.
Who's Blinky?
That.